The machine is ready now. On this video, I teach you how to set up the price for each column. At first, please press the last button under the main board. Don't move until you could beep. Now, press item 1 to go ahead price setting up. Column number, price. There are a lot of column numbers, each of train, so you need to set up the price according to the column number on the train. There are total 6 trains. So the column, first one is A2. Type the price according to the product price you want. Maybe $2, like this. $2.50. And remember, after that you need to press this number, this button, to confirm. So success to set A2. Next is A4. A4 and set up the price what you want. Maybe 4, for example, 4.25, like this, and press this button to confirm. So you just need to set up the price column by column, tray by tray, until it's completed. And then press this button to go back to the first page. Now we can test like this. A2, the price is 2.5, like this.